Photoshop has developed over 16 basic color adjustment functions for us. These adjustment layers can manipulate the color and tone of the layers beneath them. Sometimes a same result can be achieved by different adjustment layers with different methods. What cannot be denied is that each of them has its own unique advantages. This video will help you go through the channel mixer adjustment layer. And I put a download link in the description, which is the PSD source file of this video for you to have a try. First of all, do not go to the top menu and try to use any of the adjustments in the image. It makes you unable to revise any of the adjustments. The pro method is to go to Layer and create a new adjustment layer, or create the adjustment layer in the Layers panel. This way, everything will be changeable anytime after. Simply go to the Layers panel and create the Channel Mixer adjustment layer. You will find on the top of the Properties panel is the Presets by Photoshop. First, I like presets. I think presets can get most of the requests for you. But in Channel Mixer adjustment presets, please, can someone tell me in the comment why all the presets for the Channel Mixer adjustment are black and white? Anyway, under the presets, you can choose red, green, or blue for the output channel. Then, dragging around the red, green, and blue slider can adjust the color of the image. Similar to the color balance adjustment, the color principle behind this is another story. I'll make a video talk about that in the future. Check the description. I'll put the link once the video is done. In this example, I'll try to use the channel mixer adjustment to Photoshop this white puppy into a creamy yellow puppy. Not that I prefer the creamy puppy, just for fun. I think all puppies are cute. This series of videos will walk you through all the basic adjustment functions in Photoshop. Some are pretty easy, some are kind of more complex, so I've made an experimental PSD file for you. Links in the description, feel free to download and have a try. Don't forget to subscribe and check out this channel often. I'll keep uploading.